We are at the Port San Jose, and here is a very poor area of the port. There are 25 families, and which is 175 people. Around this area, they have a couple of rivers. The rivers from here are very contaminated because the sugarcane plantations and all the plantations around, they do pesticides and insecticides, a lot of chemicals, and can affect a lot the water. And also, they saw a couple handle wells, which is too shallow. So when it's rainy season, almost their well are overflowed. But when it's dry season, they don't have anything. It just, maybe they throw a little cup and they just with a big rope and just try to get the little water that they have over there, just a couple of centimeters over there. And the water has E. coli in it, so a lot of bacteria, and the E. coli that produce a very, very sick on your body. It's very bad for your body. Here, when you get sick, the hospitals are super far away, and the medicine is super expensive too. So if your health is okay, you can just go to the school and do your stuff. But if you are sick, you have to stay home, and probably you will die here. To have We Are Change team here is such a great blessing because together, Living Water and We Are Change, we can do that change that the people here need and provide them with the good water, with lessons, and with the word of Jesus Christ. So thank you so much.